Hey guys, welcome back to the Droid Guy. Today we're going to show you how to remove PIN on Windows 10, so let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Start menu and then click on the gear icon or settings. On the settings window, find and click on Accounts. On the left pane, find and click on Sign-in Options, this one. Now on this area, find and click on Windows Hello PIN. Next, click the Remove button. So it will ask you if you're sure to remove your PIN. Click on the Remove button again. You need to enter your account password here. So I'm going to type my current Microsoft account password. Then click the OK button. Scroll down until you find Require Sign In. Make sure that you select Never. After that, close the window. On the search bar, type in NetPLWiz. So this is the best match, click on it. A new window will open. So on your end, you'll see here an option. Users must enter username and password to use this computer. Check on it, then click the Apply button and then the OK button. Another window will open. Enter the password of your Microsoft account, then re-enter your password to confirm. Click the OK button. Next, restart your computer. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.